Don't believe them. It's a trap. I can't even take out my own trash. There. I can't even take out my own trash. Walking out with the trash, the security guard takes it, throws it away for me. Not really complaining, but yeah, they're really helpful here. Kind of digging it. Just walking to lunch. Just going through the neighborhood. We got a 7-Eleven. Got a bunch of little care and dairies. It's just a regular little residential neighborhood. Beep beep. See, I could have taken that Jeep. It would have taken me to lunch for 10 pesos. But I'm enjoying the walk. Some nice houses here. Big yards. I don't think any of those are for sale. There's some nice ones. Haven't walked any of the side streets yet. There's little houses and apartments and shops. I will have to go wander someday. Right now I'm hungry, so I'm going to lunch as I trip over the curb. One thing I like here, all the convenience stores, gas stations, we're at a gas station at the moment, not getting gas, but they all put out tables and chairs. So you can buy your snacks and drinks and hang out, have a good time. And most of them sell liquor. I am here at Atria for lunch. I'm going to this, what is it, King Kong, I think is the name. In my mind it says King Kong, because that's the movies I know. But I'm in the mood for some katsu. It's a cool little hangout here. A whole lot of it's empty. It's not doing well. Even the Jollibee's closed. It's not a good sign. And speaking of signs, you need a sign, whatever you are. The menu doesn't say, or at least I didn't see that it comes with soup, but it starts with miso soup. And the katsu was really good. I went back, I've had the pork and the chicken. We also had a kimchi stuffed. The kimchi's good, but I would get it kimchi on the sides. You can control how much is in it. It's around 200 pesos, so actually a very good deal for a very good meal. Here at Atria, I just got out of King Kong's. The katsu was quite nice. I gotta go see what the booths are over here, and I'm sure the music is copywritten, so I will have to turn the sound down. They've always got something going on around here. Plazuela also does, but this is Atria, and they've just always got these booths out here. There's my capuslings. I like my pancit molo. Did a video on that too. But they've got all these different vendors. It'll be local merchants, crafts, restaurants. Some of it's home cooking. Just various things. It's a lot of different stuff. And they're out here quite often. There's a number of restaurants here. This is a buffet full of Filipino food. There's Nitongs if you want your bok choy. This one I haven't really looked at because honestly for 400 pesos there's other places I would go. I like Filipino food, but I don't need a buffet of it. There's a Chinese place up here I want to try, and there's also Phil's Bistro, which I did a video of. They have very good burgers, chicken wings, different things like that. It's actually really nice, decent priced as well. And we're just out wandering through, and here's that trap I told you about. Pedestrian priority. Don't you believe it. He's honking the horn to get some other guys to come push start the taxi. Cabbie was uncle or cousin or something, I'm not even sure. But we know him from the old place. He lives right down the street. He didn't know we moved. The gossip hasn't caught up yet. I may take the boat home though. Just sail home. It's not a bad entrance to the mall. And it's right across the street from immigration and the transportation hub where you get taxis, jeepneys, and buses. This is Festive Walk. I'm here to see if they have air conditioning. Oh, look, a pet store. I'm so easily distracted. Wow. A little more like a fish store, but they sell leashes. Mostly fish. There's some bird supplies, but no birds. I am not currently in need of a desk chair, but I have a feeling that next time I need one, this is where I need to go. Don't see prices on the chairs, but their tables are expensive, so I don't know. I may have changed my mind. These little dining table chairs are $75 each. I'm not going to be going in that store after all. Furniture Republic. Nice looking stuff. Out of my price range. $65,000 for a couch. Ouch. I learned an important lesson today. These shoes are done. Oh my God. They're good for walking around the mall. But on this fucking brick, forget it. Time for some new shoes. We are making fried noodles. Sorry for the noise, but these things have like cooling fans in them. Fried tofu on a bed of noodles with a little bit of veggies. No, that's not all lunch. Some of the veggies are going to be a snack later. That makes a good mix. My poke bowl is not usually arranged as well as it should be because presentation is important, but when you're eating alone, it doesn't matter so much. And for dinner, I got lazy and just ate off of the cutting board directly. When I first got here, I thought it was odd that the grocery stores were in the mall. Now I'm quite used to it. And this is very common. They just went grocery shopping. They park their cart in a restaurant and they're going up to order. You can push that thing all around the mall with you until it's time to leave. And it's perfectly normal here. I think they'd look at you funny in the US for that way. But I don't know of any malls in the US with a grocery store. I actually quite like it. Enjoy your day in paradise.